Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix subscription error in FaceApp. So that's issue or the error in this app usually means the app can't properly verify your purchase with Apple. Not that your money disappeared, fixing it is mostly about syncing your Apple ID, the app, and your connection. So actually guys, first you will need to tap on restore purchases. So all you need to do is to open up your FaceApp application and then just go and tap on the gear icon that's located at the top left corner. So here where you can find the restore purchase, and it's the fourth one. Okay, so once you tap it, just like that, you will force the app to recheck your subscription. Okay, and also guys, you will need to confirm that your subscription is active. So what you need to do is to go outside of the app and just go ahead with your device settings. So here you will need to tap on your name or your Apple's name, and then just go with the subscriptions option. Okay, so if you can see the FaceApp listed and the status is active, if it's not active, the problem is the billing, not the app. Okay, and also guys, you will need to use the correct Apple ID. So if you both the subscription on another Apple ID, it will not activate. So just double check you are logged into the same account that made the purchase. So if that's not the case, you will need just to delete the FaceApp. Okay, over on it, and then just go with remove app, and then just go ahead with your Apple App Store and look for the FaceApp. Right, look for it with the Explore icon, and then just locate it, tap it, and tap on install. Okay, and this clears the broken app data as a result. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.